Hi guys, just been to Yate. Didn't find anything in the charity shops I wanted, but I did spot these in the works. Flying missiles. And as you can probably hear, I've stopped at the side of the road on the way home so I can try them out. £1 each. I'm thinking they might actually whistle as they go. Made by Candy Toys, or at least sold by Candy Toys. Got this rubber. Just waiting for the traffic to go by. Got this rubber, it looks like you hook it over your finger or thumb and flick it into the air, catapult style. So we'll give it a try. Let me see if I can get my wife to film from the car, because I didn't bring my hat camera with me. So we'll just have to have a look, see what we can do. Right, what we have, got a little pull tag on the back, and then this rubber tubing on the front. So I assume we do that. Try not to catch our thumb on the back of the plane, glider, missile. Yeah, let's try that again. It made the tiniest squeak as it went. I don't know if that was supposed to be a whistle. Oh yes, it did whistle. I don't know if the camera would have picked it up though. Well, quick summary. Managed to hit the back of my hand where that yellow paint is. Hit that a couple of times. I mean, I'm probably overstretching it, being an adult. So we'll find out if it hurts the boys when they try it, won't we? There'll be tears.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.